In lesson 1, we are going to learn how to change background colors in Windows. Right now, if you click the notification area, you see everywhere is white. You click the start, everywhere is white. Then you click the File Explorer, everywhere is white. On top of this place, you just click on this small arrow to expand to see the hidden icons. These are the hidden icons. Then you can also click that place to toggle, to hidden, to hide, or to reveal. Then you can close it back. Now right click on the Windows and choose the personalize. Then on this personalize, click colors, the setting. Click colors. Now this is the default colors of blue that is used. Then if you want to change the color, click on the drop down and choose custom. And when you choose custom, you can see here is light and here is light. These colors are the colors you can choose. If you choose any color there, it will replace the default colors. But now I click the dark, you can see the taskbar color has changed, while the other places are still remain dark, white. So now I click the dark, you can see everywhere now is black. So this is the way that you're going to change it. You click the notification area is dark. You click the stats area is dark. Then you click the File Explorer, it's still white. Why? Because the dark color has not been changed for the background. So what we are going to do now, we are going to change all colors to be dark. You click on the dark, everywhere is dark. Now go to File Explorer, you can see it's now dark or black. Then I want to change the color. They still have the color blue color for the default. So I like pink or rose bright. I like rose bright. So I have chosen the rose bright. You can see the color has changed. You see the color has changed to pink. So you can choose any color of your choice. Then if you go to the notification area, you can see the colors there has changed to pink instead of blue. Then you click the File Explorer, you can see the color has changed to pink. So now everything has changed to dark. Reset to white background as it was before. Let us reset it. You right click on the screen, you can see the setting has turned to pink or rose bright to say. Then I can change it to white. You choose light. You see the pink color are still there. Just click automatically pick an accent color from my background. Everything has gone back to default as it was before. You click the notification area, you can see it's white and everywhere is blue. Then you click the start area, you can see everywhere is white, has turned back to gray or white. Then if you click the File Explorer, you can see everything has turned back. You minimize it. It's very simple, huh? Okay. So this is a simple way that you can change your dark screen. So to avoid eye problem. So now this is what we are going to do next. How to make this design you are seeing on this screen with the white color and the black color. So hope to see you there. We are going to make this design together.